Welcome to our guide on how to add contributors to your album on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Below your profile picture, tap on Photos to view your photo collections. Next, select Albums at the top to see all your albums. Choose the specific album you want by clicking on its title. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the album page. Tap on Edit to make changes to the album settings. Then tap on Add Contributors to invite others to contribute to the album. Select Choose Friends to pick the friends you want to add as contributors. Choose the specific friends you want and tap on Done at the top right to confirm. By following these steps, you can easily collaborate with friends and family by adding contributors to your album on Facebook. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to add contributors to your album on Facebook. Enhance your album sharing experience by inviting friends to contribute and share memories together. Explore these steps to customize your albums and enjoy a more interactive and engaging experience on Facebook.